Okay, hello Alex, how are you today?
Hello. I'm sleepy a little bit.
Okay,
What
you're a
about
little
you?
bit sleepy, but well, thank you for coming. I am great today. Thank you for asking. Hello, let's see, Andrea, how are you today?
Very good. And you?
Very good. I am fine today. Thank you for asking. So, welcome to our class. Alejandra, how are you today?
I'm fine. I'm a little exhausted. I'm fine.
Okay, a little bit exhausted, but you're fine. Okay, thank you for being here. So I hope you can rest after classes. And well, let's start with today's. I hope you can practice also today. Hello, Brian. How are you today?
Not bad.
Not bad. Okay, very good. So sent to you. Okay, so thank you for answering. Abigail, how are you today?
Hello, very fine. And you?
Okay, you're very fine. I'm good today. Thank you for asking. Okay, so welcome to our class. And hello, Laura. How are you today? Okay, everybody, thank you for being here in the class. So today we have to practice. Just before we practice, we are going to do, we are going to check what is today's activity. Okay, everybody, as you see, we are going to talk about zero conditional, but in today's opportunity, we have to practice, okay? It's time to practice a little bit about zero conditional. Yesterday, we studied about zero conditional, the rules, the use of zero conditional, and today we have a short review and some practices, okay? So today, to start with our class, let's talk about colors, or let's play with colors. Before we start, let's see, I want to ask you, what is your favorite color? Alex, what is your favorite color?
Black.
Black. Okay, that's a great color. So I really like it. So do you like wearing black clothes?
Teacher,
Yes, Andrea.
María José dice que no puede entrar a la reunión. Le
Really?
parece que pronto le permitirá
Oh,
entrar usted, pero
yes.
no carga.
Sorry. Yes, estaba en espera, no me había aparecido, no lo había visto. I'm sorry.
Ah,
Okay.
bueno.
Thank you, Andrea. Okay. Let's see. Okay, Alex. So thank you. Your favorite color is black. What about you, Abigail? What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is purple.
Purple. Okay, that's a great color. Now, thank you for your answer, Alejandra. What is your favorite color?
Aqua.
Oh, what is your favorite color? Okay, nice. Very good. Well, let's see. Maria Jose, what is your favorite color?
Hello. I don't have one, but blue.
Okay, blue. Well, that's a great color. I really like blue. So that's my favorite color. I have many things with in blue color. So very good, Maria Jose. Thank you. Andrea, what is your favorite color?
My favorite color is pink.
Pink. Okay, well, that's another great color. I like it. Brian, what is your favorite color? Oh, Brian, I can't listen to you very well, okay? So if you want, please write on the chat what's your favorite color, okay? So everybody, as you see today, we are going to play with colors and zero conditional. So we will practice the question, how do I get, okay? How do I get? So when we are talking about the mix of colors, when we mix colors, we can get another color. For example, everybody, how do you get purple? How do you get purple? So in that case, everybody, we use this sentence. If I mix two colors, I get purple. What colors do you mix to make purple or to get purple? Let's see. Dun, 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 dun. Okay, Abigail, tell me, what colors do you mix to get purple?
I don't remember.
You don't remember. Okay, so let's think about it, everybody. Let's think about it. So let's see, Alex, what colors do you mix to make purple?
Red and blue. If
Red
I
and
mix red and blue, I get purple.
nice job. Okay, so if you get red and purple, red and blue, you get purple. Okay, so very good job, Alex. Nice job. Now, everybody, my next question is, how do you get, let's see, how do you get brown? Okay, how do you get brown? So think about it, everybody. How do you get brown? Remember brown. Okay, let's see. Andrea, how do you get brown?
I don't remember.
You don't remember. Okay, no problem, but thank you. Let's see. Alejandra, how do you get brown?
Green and blue.
Green and blue. Okay. Well, that's a good one, but let's see. Alex, how do you get brown? What do you think?
I don't know. No, I don't know.
You don't know. Okay, guys, this is a little bit difficult, okay? But if you mix three colors, if you mix red, yellow, and blue, you get brown, okay? So it's kind of difficult, okay? So I'm so sorry because of that, okay? Now, let's practice some other colors. Now, let's see, everybody. How do you get pink? How do you get pink? Oh, Alejandra knows. Alejandra, tell me, how do you get pink?
White and red.
Oh, repeat again.
White and red.
Okay, yes, that's true. Red and white, or white and red. So please, Alejandra, tell me the complete sentence. If I mix red and white, I get.
If I mix red and white, I get pink.
Very good. Thank you, Alejandra. Great example. Okay, nice job, nice job. Okay, everybody, as you see, we practice how to get some colors. Let's ask Abigail. Abigail, okay, if I mix red and white, I get pink. Is that true always? Is that true always? Or is that always true? ¿Siempre es verdad eso? Yes or no?
Maybe.
Maybe. Okay, red and white. It's always, it's pink. Okay, what do you think, Alejandra? Red and white, it's always pink?
Yes.
Yes, okay, very good. And what about, let's see. Okay, what about blue and red? Alex, is it always purple?
Yes.
Yes, of course. Okay, that's right. Okay, so remember that when we use zero conditional, we are talking about things that are always true. That's why we practice a little bit with colors. Okay, because if you mix two colors or sometimes three colors, you can get one different color. Okay, today to start with our class, let's make a short review about zero conditional. Okay, before we start, let's pay attention to our structure. Please, Maria Jose, help me with the zero condition.
Okay, zero condition. Structure, right?
Oh, this is structure.
Okay, is if plus condition plus result, and if plus simple present tense plus simple present tense.
Very good. Thank you, Maria Jose. Okay. Okay. If you remember yesterday's class, okay, we were talking about conditions and results. We were talking about actions and results. The action and the result are in zero conditional are always in simple present. So simple present, simple present. And what are, okay, let's read together some examples. Please, let's pay attention to Andrea. Okay, Andrea, read example 1 and 2. Okay, 1 and 2. Go ahead.
Okay. If rains, the ground gets wet. If I cry, I have a headache.
Oh, a headache. Remember, headache.
Headache.
Headache. Very good job. Okay, so now everybody, let's pay attention to it. The first part of the sentence is, or the action of the sentence is, it rains. The second part of the result is, the ground gets wet. Okay, this is a zero condition sentence. So let's pay attention to it. Alejandra, are we using simple present in the action and the result? Yes or no?
In the action, in the result.
Yes, this is
What
the
is the
action.
result?
This is the action. This is the result. So simple present and simple present or not?
Yes.
Yes, okay. Remember, in zero conditional, we are talking about things that are always true. And we use simple present and simple present. Let's continue reading our next examples. Please, let's pay attention to... Okay, let's pay attention right now to Abigail, okay? Abigail, help me right now with example 3 and example 4.
If you mix yellow and blue, you get green. If you are tired, you go to the bed early.
Nice job. Thank you, Abigail. So, as you see, everybody, we are using simple present and simple present. So these are some examples, everybody, in which if it happens, if the action happens, okay, if the action happens, I do this. Okay, remember, that is the main use of zero conditional. If something happens, I have to do the following, or I have to do the result. Okay, if you are tired, you go to bed early. If you mix, remember what we were talking about colors? If you mix yellow and blue, you get green. And that is always true. Okay, so now let's pay attention to the use of zero conditional. Please, Alejandra, read this information.
Use general traits, habits, real words,
Scientific
scientific facts, etc.
Nice job. Okay. So as you see, everybody, these are the uses of zero conditional. This is similar. Well, these are the same uses of simple present. So we use simple present to talk about general truth, to talk about habits, to talk about scientific facts. So this is the same use of zero conditional. But in this case, we follow or we are talking about a condition. If something happens, we have a result. So if if something happens, I have a result or I have a headache. Okay? Remember, we are talking about something something happens, I have a result. Remember, we are talking about conditions. Yesterday, we practiced a little bit with zero conditional, simple present and simple present. So today, we are going to continue working on this, okay? Right now, please give me a second. Okay, right now, let's go to some practices, but give me a second. Okay, right now, let's go to some practices. Today we have two activities, at least at this moment, okay? We have mountain climb and also a grammar practice. So let's pay attention to these activities. To start, let's go to mountain climb. Give me a second. Okay, here we go. Okay, guys, we have to complete and say what is the correct sentences. So let's start with this, okay? Please, right now, let's pay attention to Maria Jose. She's going to help us in example number 1. Maria Jose, tell me what is the complete sentence? If people eat too much.
They get fat.
Okay, so what is the complete sentence, Maria Jose?
If people eat too much, they get fat.
Very good, excellent pronunciation, Maria Jose. Let's continue and move. Okay, this is correct, so you gotta move, okay? You move to the next step. Now, please help me with the next example, Andrea.
You get burned.
Nice, but tell me the complete sentence. Remember, guys, always complete sentences.
If you touch a fire, you get burned.
Nice, okay? If you touch a fire, you get burned. So let's check. Okay, very good. So you climb up. Let's continue right now. Alex, tell me what is example? Give me a second. Okay, what is example number 3?
You get water if you mix. Eso sí no sé cómo se pronuncia.
Oh, yeah, I know it's difficult. Okay, so hydrogen and oxygen.
Hydrogen and oxygen.
Okay, so you get water, of course, that's true. Thank you. Remember, we about scientific facts. Thank you. Let's see, continue with Abigail. Abigail, tell me what is example 4?
If babies are hungry, they cry.
Okay, if babies are hungry, they cry. Yes, that's true. Very good job. Okay, so claps for you, Abigail. Thank you. Okay. Okay, we are in question 5 or in example 5, I'm sorry. So let's pay attention to Alejandra. Okay, Alejandra. Let's check if you got this topic. So tell me, please, what is the complete sentence?
¿Qué significa meals?
Melts.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, melts is when something start, how can I say this? Well, I will show you a picture. Give me a second.
Okay.
Uy, give me a second.
If
This
you
is melt.
heard
This is melt.
another head.
I'm sorry.
Mm. Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Continue. If you hit ice,
It melts.
it melts. Okay. Yes, that's right. Okay. So we are almost. Okay. Let's see now. Laura, hello. Laura Marisela. Tell me, please, what is the complete sentence?
If it rains, the grass gets wet.
Okay, very good sentence. Okay, thank you. That's right. Okay, if it rains, and that is always true, everybody. That is always true. Now, let's continue, please, and tell me, Andrea, what is the complete sentence?
If you freeze water, it becomes a solid.
Okay, if you freeze water, nice job. So that's the correct sentence. Thank you. Let's continue now and pay attention to Alex. Okay, Alex, tell me, what is example 8?
If you mix red and blue, you get purple.
Okay, nice job. So, well, we practiced about colors, so it was very easy for you. So thank you, Alex. Nice job. Let's continue now, please. Number 9.
Maybe Juan, me teacher.
No, Maria Jose. I'm sorry, Alejandro.
No.
Okay, Maria Jose was also confused. Tell me, what is a complete sentence?
If public transport is efficient, people keep using their car.
People keep or people stop? If public transport is efficient or is good, what do people do?
People stop using their cars.
Okay, people stop using their cars. Let's check. Yeah, that's right. Okay, so very good, Maria Jose. Okay, Laura, tell me the last example.
If you had water to
100 degrees.
100 degrees, it's melt.
It melts or it boils?
It boils.
It boils. Okay, very good. Remember that heat is to put fire to something, okay? In this case, to water. So it boils. Very good. So everybody, we got to the top. Okay, we completed the quiz and we have a 10 out of 10. Now, everybody, let's go to our second grammar practice. Okay, so that's for you. Okay, let's go to our grammar practice now. Please, everybody, complete the sentences in the correct form. We have, as you can see, we have the verb or the verbs, we have to write the correct form. Let's do the first example together. If the verb is wake up. So what is the correct form of wake up for I? What do you think, Alex? What is the correct form?
Wake up.
Wake up. Like this?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Alejandra, now, thank you, Alex. Let's continue. If I wake up late, we have the verb be. What is the correct form of the verb be, of the verb to be for I? What is the correct form? Okay, very good. So let's see. Let's read together the example. If I wake up late, I am late for work. Okay. So let's check together. Yes, that's correct. Okay, so the two forms are correct. Remember that in zero conditional, we follow the same rules that we use in simple present. So if we are talking about I, you, we, and they, so the verb continues the same. If we use the verb to be, so we have to use the correct form of the verb to be. If we use he, she, or it, we have to use the rules for third person singular form. Okay, so everybody, let's complete examples together. Let's pay attention right now to Abigail. Okay, Abigail, help me with example 2. Okay, tell me what is the correct sentence?
The verb is cooks.
Oh, thank you. Cooks, like this?
Yes. And the second verb is burns.
Like this?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, so can you read the complete sentence now?
If my husband cooks, we burns the food.
Okay, let's check together. Of course, they are correct. We are using the rules in the correct way. Let's continue with Alejandra. Okay, Alejandra, tell me number 3. If Julie, okay, the verb is not wear. So tell me, what is the correct form? What do you think?
Using don't.
Okay, so if Julie,
Doesn't wear.
if Julie doesn't wear, what is the second verb?
Gets.
Gets with letter S?
Yeah.
Okay, let's check. Yeah, that's right. Okay, very good. Okay, so what is the complete sentence, Alejandra?
If Julie doesn't wear a hat, she gets sunstroke.
Very good job. Okay, so thank you. Give me a second. Okay, very good. So thank you for your practice, Alejandra. Let's continue right now. Laura, example number 4 is for you. Tell me the complete sentence.
If children doesn't eat well,
Okay, if children
doesn't
does,
they not are healthy.
Okay, repeat again the complete sentence, please.
If children doesn't eat well, they not are healthy.
Okay, let's check together our examples. Okay, they are incorrect. Well, let's check why are they incorrect. Okay, the first part, if children doesn't eat. Maria Jose, what do you think is the correct answer? Okay.
S.
With letter
Eat.
S? Okay. Close, okay? You're close, okay? So let's check another person. Well, I will help you with one word, but Alejandra, tell me.
Don't eat.
Don't eat. Why do we use don't?
What?
Why do we use don't? Why don't?
Because the subject is in plural.
Oh, and what is the subject?
Children.
Children. Very good. Okay, thank you, Alejandra. That's right. As you see, everybody, okay, children is in plural. Remember, if you talk about one kid, you say child. But if we say children, we are talking about two or more, okay? Very good. Okay, very good, Brian. Welcome to the class. Let's see. Okay, the first part is already done. But now, what is the correct answer in the part number 2? So they not are. What is the correct form, Alex?
They are not or they aren't.
Very good. They are not or they aren't. Remember that the correct order of simple present sentences in negative is subject, verb, well, in this case, verb to be, negative form not, and then the complement. So they are not healthy. Let's check together now the answer. Yes. Okay, so we did it, guys. We did it. We did it. Okay, now let's continue with number 5. Please, Alex, this is your example. If you
mix water and electricity, you get a shock.
Okay. That's a good example. Okay, very good. And of course, your examples are right. Thank you for it. Laura, help me right now with example 6. Hello, Laura. Okay, let's continue with Andrea. Okay, Andrea, help me with example 6.
If people eat
Uh-huh.
many sweets, they get fat.
Okay, if people eat too many sweets, they get fat. Let's check. Of course, it's correct. Okay, so we are using the right form of the verbs and also with the subject. Now, Brian, help me with example 7. Oh, activate your microphone, Brian. Thank you.
If you are no, if you are smoke.
Okay, if you are smoke,
You are get yellow.
you are get yellow fingers.
Finger.
Okay, let's check together our example. Let's see. Wow, the answers are incorrect. But why? Let's check together, please. Abigail, what do you think is the answer number 1?
Don't use are
Why not? Why we don't use are?
because it's the no use the present simple.
Ah, very good, Abigail. In simple present, guys, we never, well, we don't use verb to be, okay? We don't use the verb to be. Or in this case, we use verb to be or we use a verb. But a verb and the verb to be is not possible in simple present, okay? Okay, Brian, so we corrected the first part. If you smoke, what do you think is the second verb? You are get is incorrect. So what is the correct form, Brian? Hi, Brian. Oh, he got frozen. Okay, Maria Jose, tell me, what is the correct form? If you smoke, we corrected, you are get. What is the correct form?
You smoke and you get.
Okay, very good. So if you smoke, you get yellow fingers. Let's check now our sentence. Okay, that's correct. Okay, clap for you, everybody. So this is the correct sentence now. Let's continue with number 8. Okay, we will finish in number 10, everybody. So let's check number 8. If children, what is the correct form of the verb, Abigail?
Play.
Very good. If children play outside, they not get. What is the correct form? Alejandra, what do you think?
Don't get.
Don't get. Okay, let's check. Yes, that's right. Okay, of course. Let's continue now. Our last examples. Please, Andrea, help me with number 9.
If you had eyes, eat meal.
Oh, with
No.
letter S. Okay, I'm sorry. I gave you the answer, but yes, this is the right, this is the correct sentence. If you hit ice, it melts. Let's check. Dun, 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 dun. Of course. Now let's check our last example. Okay, Brian, help me with example 10. Remember, okay, when we are talking about simple present, no verb to be. What is the correct sentence number 10, Brian?
Aún no me da la pantalla.
Okay, I'm so sorry. Okay, I guess it's because of the internet. So let's check. Let's help me right now with example 10.
If I speak to John, he gets annoyed.
Okay, he gets annoyed. Let's check the example. Of course, it's correct. Okay, so we are using the simple present rules in the correct form. So congratulations, everybody. You are doing an amazing job. Right now, we have to continue with our next activities. So right now, let's see. Okay, so in this moment, everybody, let's practice in groups. What are we going to do right now in our groups? Okay, let's pay attention to our pair work, okay, or our group work, okay? Choose one illness. Remember that illness are all these things that we have over here. Headache, stomachache, cold, fever, cough, toothache, rash, and sore throat. You have to choose one of these illnesses, only one, okay? And then what are you going to do? Talk to your classmate about some remedies to feel better. So what do we have to do? We have to use zero conditional. For example, everybody, if I talk about a headache, okay, if I talk about a headache, I have to create sentences about a headache. For example, if you have a headache, take an aspirin. Also, if you have a headache, sleep sometime or take a nap. If you have a headache, I don't know. Don't watch your cell phone. Don't look at your cell phone if you have a headache, okay? So create sentences about good remedies to feel better. Okay, everybody? Any questions? Yes, no? No questions. Okay. Right now, please, you have 10 seconds to choose one illness. Choose only one. Solamente uno, okay? Cough, headache, stomachache, okay? Choose one. And think about remedies, everybody. Remember the remedies. Chamomile tea, take an aspirin, go to the doctor, go to the dentist, eat chicken soup, okay? Think about different remedies, okay? Now, everybody, let's go to the groups, okay? Let's work in pairs, and after that, we come back to the class, and we practice. Let's see. Okay, very good. So, everybody, see you in 5 minutes, okay? You have to discuss with your classmate, and then we share in the class, okay? See you later. Bye-bye.
Drink soup of chicken. If you have cold, go to the doctor. Maybe if you have cold, uh, I don't know. I don't remember more remedies.
Okay.
That's all.
Okay. But if you have a fever, you repose in the bed. If you have a fever, ¿cómo sería?
Hello, you finished, girls? Maria
Yes.
Jose, Abigail, Andrea, you
Yes.
finish?
Yes, teacher.
Yes. Wow, you're very fast. So, Abigail, what illness did you choose? Or what illness are you talking about?
The cold.
Cold. And what is a good
Yes.
remedy? What is a good remedy for a cold?
If you have cold, you wear the sweater.
Okay. Yeah, that's right. Okay, that's true. What about you, Maria Jose? What is the illness you speak about?
Headache.
Okay, a headache. And what is a good remedy for a headache?
Take a aspirin.
Take an aspirin. Okay, remember the complete sentence. If you have a headache,
If you have a headache, take an aspirin.
nice job. Okay, nice job. Okay, thank you. What about you, Andrea? What is the illness you speak about?
Stomachache.
Stomachache. Well, that's kind of difficult, but tell me, what are some remedies?
If you stomachache, take antacid.
Oh, if you have a stomachache.
Yes.
Okay, yes, antacid, it's the remedy for it. Okay, remember, try to create many sentences, muchas oraciones, tantas como puedan. Okay, right now it's time to go to our class, so see you over there and practice. Okay, bye-bye. Okay, let's see. Everybody's here. Alex, Maria Jose, Alejandra, Andrea, Abigail, and Brian. Okay, very good. Everybody, thank you for practicing. Okay, I listened to some of your examples and they were really good. Right now, let's listen to some of your classmates with the illness they choose and also the remedies they talk about. Please, Alejandra, tell me a number from 1 to 6.
3.
3. Okay, our number 3 is okay, Maria Jose, I'm sorry. Okay, Maria Jose, it's not my fault, it's Alejandra's fault. So tell me, what is the illness you chose?
Headache.
A headache. Okay, so tell me sentences about remedies you can have for a headache.
An aspirin. Take an aspirin.
Okay, very good. Remember the complete sentence. If
I
you
feel if you headache, take an aspirin.
okay, very good. Thank you. Any other remedy? Another remedy, or that's it? No remedy. Okay, let's help Maria Jose. Alex, what is a good remedy for a headache?
If you have headache, sleep sometime.
Sleep.
Sleep.
Okay, yes, of course. That's always a good remedy. Okay, so if you have anything, okay, so you can sleep. Very good. Thank you, Alex. Now, Maria Jose, tell me with a number. Tell me a number from 1 to 6.
6.
6. Okay. Hello, Brian. Brian, tell me, what is the illness you talk about? Hello, Brian. Hi, Brian.
Hello.
Hello. What is the illness you talk about?
I have. Hello.
Repeat again.
I have. Repeat, please.
Okay. What illness you talk about? Did you practice the activity?
You hearing
Okay.
about the bar.
Okay, Brian, I can't listen to you very well. No te escucho bien, boy. So I don't know what's happening, okay? Let's see. We will listen to another person now, just before we go.
La señal me está fallando un poco.
Okay, yes, I can listen to it, okay? So let's see. We will listen right now to Alejandra. So Alejandra, hello.
Hello.
Okay, Alejandra, what illness did you talk about?
Fever.
Fever, okay. And what is a good remedy? What are some good remedies for a fever?
If you have a fever, you repose in the bed.
Okay, you repose on the bed. And what is another remedy for it?
How do you say poner una compresa acá, en la frente?
Okay. I'm not pretty sure about how to say compresa. Okay, so let me see. So maybe you can say, no, this is another thing, okay? So you can say, put a wet pack on your head.
If you have a fever, you put back in your head.
A pack, okay, let me see. I will write it for you on the chat. So a pack, a wet pack. Wet because you have to wet it, okay? So wet pack on your head, okay? So very good. Well, thank you guys for your practice. Now let's see, okay? Thank you guys. As I said before, we were practicing simple present. Remember that when we are practicing simple, well, zero conditional in this case, and we have to practice simple present and simple present, always follows the structure, okay? So remember, subject, verb, plus complement. So if you have a headache, if you have fever, if you have a stomachache, you drink water. Okay, so always talk about those kind of things. Very good. So everybody, just before we go, I have to tell you, so congratulations because we did an amazing job. Okay, for tomorrow, we have different activities, guys. Number one, please complete, give me a second. Okay, it got frozen, guys. Okay, here we go. Everybody, please, for tomorrow, work on the platform and complete the following activities. Okay, everybody, please complete from 5.4.3 to the last activity, 5.4.6. Okay, these are the last activities of the platform. If you complete these activities, so in the exam, you will have 100%. Okay. Ya media vez completemos estas actividades, guys, y el examen, ya tenemos el 100% de la plataforma y nuestro certificado del nivel básico 2. Okay, that means, everybody, that on Monday we start basic 3. Okay, tan pronto terminemos esto, el lunes iniciamos basic 3. Así que, please, guys, complete this. Now, everybody, tomorrow, do we have classes? Yes, we have classes. And what are the classes about? Everybody, we have our final speaking activity, okay? Mañana tenemos una actividad final, bueno, una actividad oral final, and it's about this, okay? Prepare a presentation about yourself and mention the following. Number one, everybody, talk about yourself. For example, hi, my name is Christian. I am 23 years old. I live in San Salvador and I like to play soccer. So talk about information about you, okay? Number one. Number two, everybody, talk about abilities you have. 2 or 3 abilities are great, okay? And the frequency of these activities. For example, well, I introduce myself. So my name, my age, where do I live? Okay. I can, remember that for abilities we use I can, so I can play soccer very well, and I play soccer on Sundays, or I play soccer every Sunday. Also, I can sing. I sometimes sing. And I can speak English. I always speak English because I have to work speaking English. Okay? So we have 3 minutes to speak about it. 3 minutes es lo máximo, guys. Si hablan 2 minutos, tampoco hablemos 1 minuto, guys. That's not correct, okay? Si hablamos 2 minutos, it's okay. Si hablamos 3 minutos, it's okay. 1 minute, no, that's not right, okay? 2 minutes or 3. So, you can prepare a PowerPoint presentation, guys. Pueden crear una presentación de PowerPoint. If you don't have time, si no tienen el tiempo porque trabajan, porque estudian o porque tienen diferentes responsabilidades, there is no problem. Lo importante es speak. Ok, lo importante es lo que hablemos. Así que, please everybody get ready for tomorrow. Tomorrow we finish with basic 2. So do your best everybody, and thank you for coming to the class. See you tomorrow. Bye-bye.
See you tomorrow. Bye.
Bye.
Bye-bye everybody. Take care.